How to play the Roblox on the school Chromebook. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can play the Roblox in your school Chromebook. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and log in your browser, and here you have to search for the Education Blue. Now once you search for it, there is many various options. You have to select for the Education Blue KY Play Roblox Corporation, and you have to click on this first link that is in the top of the Play Roblox Online for the free on your PC or the mobile. Now once you are in here, you just have to scroll down, and in my case the Roblox is currently not available in my region, so what you have to do is simply click on the play now and you are able to play the Roblox in your school Chromebook. Now the second option is you have to open up the new tab and you have to go on the search, and here you have to search for the sciencenow.info.roblox, and here in the top there is the option of the Roblox blog, all the latest news direct from the Roblox, and you have to click on it, and from here you just have to log in your account and you are able to play on it. So that's how you can play the Roblox on your school Chromebook. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.